Antibody therapy is any treatment that uses antibodies as therapeutic agents. Monoclonal antibodies, as well as the newer generation of recombinant antibodies, are proteins, manufactured proteins that are made to mimic the antibodies that are made in our body. And I know that we've heard a lot about antibodies during the COVID pandemic, but let's go anyway through a quick recap. So antibodies are proteins that are made by our immune system to help us fight against foreign substances like pathogens, viruses, bacteria, but also toxins and cancer. They are made by B cells and are able to travel everywhere in the body to locate these foreign substances. Antibody therapy uses recombinant engineered antibody to administer into the patient. This is needed because sometimes pathogens or cancers are able to evade the immune system, and hence an external intervention is needed. The first antibody that was approved for therapy was in 1985, so exactly 40 years ago. And since then, the industry has flourished with antibodies providing immunotherapies for cancer, for infectious diseases, and also for metabolic diseases. The therapy has proven to be effective with development, with production, but also regulation and quality control that have significantly improved, making the whole R&D process relatively smoother and more efficient. But of course, there are some limitations to take into account. For example, not all the patients respond to the current therapies, and hence more molecular targets need to be explored, discovered. And antibodies are big molecules, so it's difficult to deliver them inside the cells. So these challenges and more challenges are animating the field, and DotBio hopes to be part of this new exciting evolution. The first antibody was generated in 1975 by hybridoma technology, which is by fusing myeloma B cells together with B cells from an immunized animal. This hybrid becomes an immortal cell line that is able to produce antibodies of unknown specificity. Most of the antibodies in research and in clinical practice have been developed using this hybridoma technology, but there is a new class of antibodies that is arising in the global landscape, and they are called recombinant antibodies. Unlike the former, they are not obtained by immunizing animals, but by advanced techniques of molecular biology. So DotBio is a Singaporean startup that was founded in 2017, started operation in 2018, and of course is making recombinant antibody. The technology platform is based on the concept of modular design. So by prefabricating modules of unknown specificity that we call dots, we are able to combine them on demand and make multi-specific antibodies. So we are able not only to make bi- and tri-specific antibodies, but also intracellular antibodies and antibody-drug conjugates, which are very hot recently. The advantages over the traditional techniques are the speed at which these complex prototypes can be engineered, and also the fact that these prototypes can be engineered in parallel. And this is possible because the antibodies of DotBio are made just simply connecting the dots, pun intended. It has been proven that the discovery of monoclonal antibodies is a pivotal turning point in science, and the major demand in research and in clinical practice has turned this industry into a very exciting but also very competitive market with the highest earnings of all the biological drugs. The current global market is estimated to be 250 billion USD and is projected to triplicate in the next 10 years. And this is due to the increasing aging of the world population and hence the increasing prevalence of chronic diseases like cancer, like metabolic diseases, autoimmune diseases. Italy and Singapore are part of the same wave and hence they are expected to benefit from the same progress. There are some biotech startups in Italy that are focusing on research and development of antibodies, and we hope that with this video we will be able to boost some collaborations between DotBio and these companies, maybe create some fruitful links between Singapore and Italy also in this exciting new environment.